Hey, where are you, friend? Friend? Oh, hey.
Oh, what's that?
Hey. Hey,
I think
friend.
we should go up there today.
Okay, up there. Looks good. What?
Yeah. We go
Oh.
up that.
Well, I think.
Don't step in there.
Why?
Because it's dangerous.
That's dangerous.
Straight up.
Oh, that's dangerous! Poison oak! Stop! Stop! Okay. Don't grab the GoPro, bro. Hey, that rhymes. GoPro and bro. Hey, I should be a size smaller when I grow up.
Dude, I think we should start planting a bunch of cucumbers. Hey,
Yeah.
look, here's a cucumber.
I'm in the mood for cucumbers. Cucumbers!
Here.
Oh my god, it's a cucumber.
Let's touch it.
Ow! Ow! Oh! Help!
Not a cucumber.
Oh! What the heck was that?
That's not a cucumber.
Oh! Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I'm bleeding from it.
And he
Whoa.
also touched
Whoa.
some like dark stuff.
That hurt.
Mystery.
Now that is some poison oak. Be careful of it.
Don't step in
So I don't want you to
Don't
do it.
touch
I just
anything
no.
that looks
Fuck.
Don't touch cucumbers.
No cucumbers. But cucumbers are yummy.
Yeah.
Hey, look, your shorts are the color of cucumbers.
But they're gonna split your throat open.
Yeah, great. Okay, I don't really care about splitting his throat open.
The cucumber! Ow.
Hey, look, there's a fork in the road. Let's go that way,
There's
because
a bunny. No, I'm literally not kidding. There's a bunny right there.
I heard. Really? Where's the bunny rabbit?
There's a bunny right here. No,
Oh my god, I see that.
there's freaking bunnies.
Yeah, it just ran away.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, no, shut up.
We're gonna sneak up on them. You see him running?
Keep running away.
Shut up. Shut up. He yells first.
I see it. There's a dirt bag over here.
Stay back. Just ran away.
Run away.
You guys see that? He came.
I see that.
We're like 20 feet away from a rabbit. It ran right in here. That's very interesting. Bunnies. Don't touch bunnies with rabies. This is our nature episode. Nature. You see? If you hear that, that's funny. That's nature too. It's called disposing of waste. This is our nature episode. We're gonna find nature. And don't touch cucumbers. Look, you see these? Cucumbers! Down! They ain't cucumbers. Dude, there's a hobo. Shh, there's a hobo. There was a hobo. Freaking hobo. We're not coming back here. That's for sure. I don't know if you saw that, but there was a hobo. You see that, Oliver? He's wearing black. Please comment if you saw that hobo. Freaking dog.